TempGuard portal is a web solution for real-time data access and report. Browse to TempGuard portal at www.ultimate2.fcbios.com.my. Enter your username and password to sign in to your account. To view the data, select the controller ID that you want to view under the device drop-down menu and click Query. Once you have selected the controller, you will be able to see the graphic display and data display sections. In the graphic display section, you will see the real-time temperature of your fridges and the high and low temperature limit that you have set. Navigate to the data display section and look into the arrival time column, which reflecting the data upload interval that you have set. Navigate to each channel column labeled A01 until A08 to display the respective sensor name. In addition to the temperature reading, the D01 column is representing the power supply status of your equipment. Number 1 is indicating a normal power supply, while number 0 indicates a power loss. Navigate to the History List View tab to view the previous temperature record. Select the controller from the device drop-down menu, set the date range and click Query. The data is available to view in both PDF and CSV format. Users may download the data by clicking the PDF or CSV button accordingly. Navigate to the History Hard Alarm tab to view the hard alarm record. Select the controller from the device drop-down menu, set the date range and click Query. The data is available to view in both PDF and CSV format. Users may download the data by clicking the PDF or CSV button accordingly. To generate a report, click the Report Summary View tab. Select the controller and the sensor that you desire, enter the date range and click the Query button. The data is available for you to download in PDF format. To download, click this button.